So what's going on, YouTube? Sorry it took me a few days to try to make this video, but I've been a little bit under the weather. So, but yeah, of course here goes the shifter. I'm about to step out real quick, so let's see what I could record and stuff. Car's a little bit dirty. It's been sitting here for probably a few days now. I haven't been outside. First day I've been on probably in about a week. Yeah, so still working good. Still, you know what I mean? About to do a little on my AFR gauge. I did swap out the cluster. This is the 96 to 2000 cluster in my 94. So everything works good and stuff. I did all the wires and stuff, so everything works like it should, and it looks stock. I did a little customization and made it fit in there, so it looks pretty good. I've been having a little bit of trouble with it though. It's running a little rich right now. Yeah. I don't know, I think my map sensor is fucking up on me or something. But got the vibrant vtec under here. I think I might have to change my map sensor or something, because I think the map sensor is going bad. Maybe, I don't know. I'm about to see. Sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it doesn't. It runs rich sometimes, and then it runs perfect. I don't know. I'm about to try to reset the ECU. I haven't tried that. I'm about to take that fuse out. But yeah, this is my setup. H22a JDM. It's got a t2w4 transmission on there, the URR LSD. URR intake manifold. I did another video of me putting that on. It's got a 68mm throttle body. It's ported also with the manifold, so it flows good. 3-inch coupler, 3-inch intake. Of course, seen the other videos. It's got the vibrant header. I wrapped them. Has port mounts, drive shaft axles, gun tube strut bar. Besides that, not really much. I did this also for the fuel rail. It's got a Roscoe Racing fuel rail, RDX injectors, K-tune pressure gauge, fuel pressure regulator. It's got a VMS inside. All inside is all been swapped out. NGK spark plugs. A little something, not too much. And just going checking over stuff. It's kind of dirty. I gotta clean it. It's been non-stop raining. So, yeah. No, grabando un poco aquí. So, me and wifey about to step out real quick and get back at you guys. Sitting here waiting for the car to warm up. I got the computer hooked up because I do got the S300.
There's a plate over here. Yeah, papi. Yeah. I didn't open it. I'm just
It's only at 122 degrees. So, gonna wait till it warm up a little bit, then we're about to hit the road. So we are taking a little spin. perfect. Everything is running nice. I like it. My baby bought me this for a little present. Good to go. Today's a nice day, so we might as well get a little driving around. Got my baby doing the recording while I'm driving. Stopped raining. It's been raining for like the past 2 weeks. Sorry for the bumpy roads. The roads is messed up. Nice little Mustang. Oh, yeah. Everything is good. Everything is alright. Oh, let's see if we can do this. Dollar Tree, and we just pulled up. We gotta grab a couple things. So we just pulled up. Everything is pretty good. The sun is beaming right now, but as you see, everything is a-okay. Sorry, it's gonna be a pretty short video, but you know, I just wanted to do a little quick update on everything. About to go in here and grab some stuff. I might continue the video. If I don't, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Peace out.